I'm joking. It's not a real one. It's not like a real hand, like a robot hand or like a monster hand. I'm just joking. And yeah, it's me. Hello guys. And today I'm gonna dump one of my bins of fidgets. Yeah, I am going to do that. This is part 3, and in part 1 I showed like a lot more fidgets what I have, the other fidgets what I have. These are not all my fidgets, but some fidgets are here. I'm gonna come back. And there might be some fidget puppets. Right here is only like fidgets what are like any fidget except puppets. So if there's going to be a puppet, we're just going to put it in the other bin where there's puppets. Okay, so let's dump this out. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of fidgets. Wow. Guys, it's actually a really big pile here. There's actually a ginormous pile. I think you can't really see it. Let me just do that. I think you could see it now, but the camera might fall. Okay, guys, it might fall, and also you can't really see my head. But yeah, this is the pile. You already saw it, so I'm just gonna move this. So first, I have these 2 cool puzzle balls. One blue and one white, and I'm pretty good at puzzle balls, and I could like solve it pretty fast, but I think professionals could solve it like really fast. Yeah. But I'm pretty good at them. I could solve it, but not a Rubik's Cube. It's just so like it stressed me out like, all the time. Put that here. I have right here a cake squishy. Has a horn, a planet dimple, and a map dimple. Like, I don't know how this is called. I don't know if the comments are turned on. If they are, please tell in the comments if this is a map dimple or a planet dimple, because I don't know how to call it. And look, it looks like both. I don't know. I have right here an infinity cube, a galaxy, something like that. Infinity cube. It's not really a galaxy. It's like, I don't know. It has a blue, orange, and pink, and like purple colors. And also white. I can't forget about that. And yeah, it's just an infinity cube, like tie-dye infinity cube, something like that. It has a little green I see right here. Right here in that spot right here, there's some green. Yeah, let's put that in there. The bin. I have this kind of simple dimple. It's a spinner, but it can't spin. It broke, and now it can't spin. But you still could like hop it, so it kind of works, like 50-50. Like, I don't really like that. I have this kind of thing. It's like, I don't know. It's like a stress ball, but it has these like spikes, and it's not even like a stress ball. I don't know. It's just it. Pop tube. Oh wow, that was so loud. I have let's see. I have these monkey noodles. A lot of these monkey noodles. There might be more what I didn't show. So I have a dimple in here. There's like much more fidgets. A little cat squishy with white and blue. A donut squishy. Donut squishy. This spinner. Dimple. Simple dimple. Yeah, dimple spinner. Yeah, dimple spinner. Put that in. And I have right here a hot tube. Oh, that's my cat. That's my cat. Sorry about that. It's just Luna. I have a cupcake squishy. Have a llama squishy that has a unicorn costume on. 2 pop tubes. monkey noodle. Crazy. Cat, stop trying to play with it. Luna. Hey Luna, come here. Oh guys, sorry. Sorry, it's just a cat. Oh my gosh, she's silly. Oh, I forgot to show you this monkey noodle. No, cat. Please don't chase it. No, don't get in the bin, little. Silly. Don't get in the bin. Okay, spiky ball. And right here, I have 2 more. Wacky track. I have a wacky track spinner. Look, it's a wacky track. Ah! Caddy! Stop, please. I have, look, it's a spinner. It's also a wacky track. Look, you could bend it. It's a wacky track, and it also is a spinner. Isn't that cool? Oh, Luna, please stop. Oh my gosh, guys. I have a dinosaur dimple right here. I believe on the simple dimple. Hot dimple. Little emoji. This emoji. Let's drop it in. I forgot how that's called. If the comments are on, tell in the comments. Just emoji. Slinky. This kind of stress ball. This stress ball. Stress ball. Turtle dimple. Tiger emoji. Mash ball. Yellow mash ball. Yellow snapper. This emoji, I don't know who is it, but okay. I don't really know if this is a fidget, but it really calms me down, so I guess I'll count it. This spinner. This is my second dimple. This is my second dimple, and this is my first dimple. I don't remember, maybe these two are my first like dimples, or maybe this one first and this one second. I don't remember. Dimple spinner. This emoji, I think it's a pink hamster. This dog emoji, like you could literally put on your pencil. Bunny emoji. Oh, bunny emoji. What is that emoji that I was searching for? Guys, I have like a really cool emoji. I don't know where it is, but I think we're gonna find it. This kind of thing, I don't know. It has a lot of like things on it. Like there's like a lot of things sticking to it. I don't know, what is this? It's like a spiky thing, but it's still a fidget. It's like, I don't know. I love it. This. It is a fidget. So, yeah. It is a fidget. If you think it's not a fidget, it actually is. And these are like, I think, pretty rare things. I never saw them in the store, like in my life. My mom bought it somewhere. Maybe not in the store, maybe on the internet somewhere. I don't know where. Also, I don't know what is it called. So, yeah. I don't know where to find it. Panda emoji. A panda emoji. A shark or a whale emoji, I don't really know. A little dolphin, I think. A shark or a dolphin, I can't even tell. Peep hopper. Oh, also it has a little doggy. Wait, what the heck? How is it staying there? I think peep hoppers like sometimes do that. This simple dimple, this lollipop simple dimple. Bunny emoji, pink bunny emoji. Dimple spinner. I have a lot of these candy simple dimples. Oh, this pressure ring is broken. Wait. What the? What? Oh, now I don't. What? Oh, okay. So I have this kind of rainbow, like art things. I don't know how they're called. So if the comments are turned on, please tell me in the comments. I have also the same things what are like red, white, and black, and like gray. And I have these were like rainbow colored, so shiny. My favorite ones are these. I have a lot of unicorn Orbeez stress balls. Also this one. And where is my purple one? I can't find my purple one. I think it's in like the other bins. I don't know. Maybe I by accident put it with the Poppets. So I have this red pop tube. Not really loud, but the green one is the loudest pop tube I have. Or maybe the loudest fidget I have. This kind, like, there's a pressure ring. Avocado emoji. Mini, wait. Oh, also, another squeaky ball. And I found these 3 mini pop tubes that I made my own self out of straws. Because I saw someone on TikTok do that, and I did have an idea, but I just didn't want to make it. But now I kind of do. So I just did them. I don't know, they're so funny. And I have a orange one somewhere. I don't know where it is. I have this candy simple and balls. Oh, sorry, Cat. Did I hit you? This rainbow cat squishy with ice cream. Oh, hi, Cat. This kind of my homemade stress ball. My homemade stress ball. I think it only has water. My other homemade, my color changing homemade stress ball, look, it's blue and it's like turning into light blue. Yeah, it's turning into light blue. I put a little toothpaste in it, so that's why I think. Blue into light blue. This monkey noodle, textured monkey noodle. All the monkey noodles that would have textures are like unicorns. I love the colors. And I think I have another one in the other bins. I don't know. I have this Orbeez fish. This kind of thing, and I have a lot of these. I found 2, and the rest of them I think on the other bins what I showed in part 1. Let's put these there. I have a Orbeez stress ball, a homemade Orbeez stress ball. This kind of sea monster. Guys, look, we're almost done. Okay. So I have a bunny emoji, pink bunny emoji, a little blue pig emoji, I don't know. And I didn't find my dark blue dinosaur emoji yet, so I don't know, maybe it's somewhere else, I don't know. I found this kind of thing, I don't know who's that. It's an emoji. I found this. And this octopus. This octopus. Octopus dimple spinner. If you spin this, the head moves, and that thing moves. If you spin it normal, this thing moves. And also you could pop it. A crab dimple. A little cat emoji. a little emoji like this. I think this is my favorite emoji. I don't know. It's just so cute. Look at it. Oh, and here is the other mini pop tube that I was talking about. There's another one. Not here. Peep. Is that peep? I don't know how it's called, but I broke one of it. Right here, I broke one of these. So I have a sock emoji for Christmas. I have a duck emoji. I have a hedgehog emoji. I have a bird emoji. I have this green emoji. I don't even know who is that. A green slime? Is it slime? I don't know. I guess a spiky ball. 3 pressure rings. Another one of these, and these are not broken. Have pig emoji. Now, cat, stop getting the toys out of the bin. Okay, so I have this. I don't know. Is that a bird emoji or a pterodactyl? I don't know how to say it. Oh, I found my dark blue emoji. I don't know, but I think dark blue emojis are like really rare. I don't know, like a really dark blue emoji. Like, I think these are not rare, but this one is like really dark blue. I don't really know if you see like that. This is like light blue and this is like dark blue. I don't really know if you could see it on the camera, but I think a dinosaur dark blue emoji is rare. Cat, stop getting the pea pop this thing out of the bin. Stop. She's doing that again. The strawberry emoji. Cat, now why are you eating the basket? But okay. This kind of fidget spinner. A broken pea popper. How about we just get this out and put it somewhere else? Also, wait, I forgot to show you guys my Mickey Mouse simple dimple. This broken pea popper, I just got the pea out, like the pea in the pea popper. Okay, pop tube. Avocado simple dimple. This kind of fidget spinner. Okay, banana emoji. Stop, cat. Okay, this tangle. Okay, star emoji. Spiky ball. Fidget pad. Rainbow, like rainbow. Oh, rainbow, like our fidget pad, like these things on your fingers. I don't know how to called. Emoji. This crocodile blue emoji. Unicorn symbol dimple. The mongoose black symbol dimple. Panda emoji. And this a smushed emoji. Cat, stop eating the pop tube. White turtle emoji. I never saw white turtle in my life. A homemade Orbeez stress ball. Heart emoji. Yeah, I don't know who this is, but it's a green emoji. This dimple spinner, dimple digit mini spin. I don't know how it's called. Dimple spinner, I think so. Elephant green emoji. I think it's an elephant. Orby fish. This eye, what I found in the basket. It's not a fidget. Okay, a pressure ring. a dinosaur. Do you know how this is a fidget? It actually has these in there. Oh my gosh, isn't that cool? It's a peep hopper. Whoa. It doesn't look like a fidget at first, but it's actually a peep hopper. Put that in there. I didn't know there was a lot of space. Okay, pig emoji. Dinosaur pink emoji. Dimple spinner. And lastly, this butterfly dimple. And these are all the fidgets. Bye! Next time, in part 4, I'm going to show you the puppets. But wait a minute, I forgot to show you some other fidgets. Like, I don't know, 5, I don't know. Okay, that was stuck. This one was stuck in the big Legos. I don't know how they're called. Oh. These. Kenny Simple Dimple. I gotta put this one like. Okay. I got these 3 color changing stress balls. I mean Neatos, or I think they're Neatos. And is that it? Oh no, it's not, guys. Among Us Triple Dimple. I know the cat just walked next to you. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, and also put a thumbs up on the video, and the comments are allowed. I mean turned on. Please comment, like. Also don't forget to share, and bye.